Hi friends, Shalom. Fenugreek and its health benefits. So fenugreek is an herb with impressive health benefits. Fenugreek may help increase breast milk production, enhance testosterone levels and promote blood sugar control. It has also been used to other health benefits, but more research is needed. Fenugreek is a herb long used in alternative medicine. It's a common ingredient in Indian dishes and often taken as a supplement. This herb may have numerous health benefits. So I'm going to tell you an article which is included in fenugreek, its health benefits, side effects and uses. So fenugreek, Trignola fornum gracium, is a plant that stands around 2 to 3 feet tall. It has green leaves, small white flowers and pods that contain small golden brown seeds. For thousands of years, fenugreek has been used in alternative and Chinese medicine to treat skin conditions and many other diseases. It's also a common household spice and thickening agent and can be found in many products such as soap and shampoo. Fenugreek seeds and powder are also used in many Indian dishes for their nutritional profile and slightly sweet nutty taste. So let's summarize what I've told. Fenugreek is an interesting herb with diverse uses and many potential health benefits. Now let's see about the nutritional facts of fenugreek. 1 tablespoon or 11 grams of whole fenugreek seeds contains 35 calories and several nutrients including fiber 3 grams, protein 3 grams, carbs 6 grams, fat 1 gram, iron 21% of the daily value, manganese 6% of the daily value, magnesium 5% of the daily value. Fenugreek seeds have a healthy nutritional profile containing a good amount of fiber and minerals including iron and manganese. So let's see the effects on breast milk production. Breast milk is the best source of nutrition for your baby's development. However, some people may struggle to produce sufficient amounts while prescription drugs are commonly used to boost breast milk production. Research suggests that fenugreek may be a safe natural alternative. So one older, that is 14-day study in 78 new mothers found that drinking herbal tea with fenugreek seeds increased breast milk production, which helped babies gain more weight. So the volume of pumped breast milk increased from around 1.15 ounces or 34 milliliters in the control and placebo groups to 2.47 oz in the fenugreek group. So research is encouraging. You should discuss about any concerns about breast milk production with a healthcare professional. Research suggests that fenugreek may increase breast milk production and the rate of weight gain in newborn babies. So let's see the effects on testosterone levels in men. One of the most common reasons men use fenugreek supplements is to boost testosterone. Some studies have found that it has beneficial effects, including an increased libido. In one study, taking 300 milligrams of fenugreek twice daily for 8 weeks led to significant increases in testosterone levels in men when combined with resistance training. So in an older 6-week study, 30 males took a supplement of 600 mg of fenugreek extract along with magnesium, zinc and vitamin B6 to assess changes in sexual function and libido. Most participants reported increased strength and improved sexual function. However, more research is needed for the above. Initial research suggests that fenugreek can boost testosterone levels and sexual function in males. It may help control diabetes and blood sugar levels. Fenugreek may aid metabolic conditions such as diabetes. In one study, people with type 2 diabetes who took 5 grams of fenugreek seed powder twice daily for 2 months experienced a reduction in fasting blood sugar levels, belly fat, body mass index and hemoglobin A1C, a marker of long-term blood sugar control. The high fiber content found in fenugreek powder or seeds could also be beneficial for supporting blood sugar control even in people without diabetes. So, in one study found that replacing 10% of the refined wheat flour in buns and flatbreads with fenugreek powder significantly reduced blood sugar levels after eating in people without diabetes. So, evidence supports fenugreek's role in blood sugar control and the treatment of type 2 diabetes. So, the other health benefits of fenugreek. Fenugreek has been used to treat a variety of conditions. However, many of these uses have not been studied well enough to reach stronger conclusions. Preliminary research suggests that fenugreek may aid in appetite control. Some studies show a reduction of fat intake and appetite. One 14-day study found the participants continuously reduced total fat intake by 17%. Cholesterol levels. Some evidence indicates that fenugreek can lower cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Heartburn. One older 2-week pilot study in people with frequent heartburn found that fenugreek reduced their symptoms. In fact, its effect matched those of antacid medications. Inflammation. The herb has demonstrated anti-inflammatory effects in rats and mice. More research is needed to confirm this in humans. So, although more research is needed, initial results postulate that fenugreek has several other health benefits. Now, let's see how to use fenugreek. Fenugreek as an ingredient used in many supplements. In formulation or differs, the recommendation dose depends on the supplement. There is no single recommended dose. Additionally, the dose may vary depending on the benefit you see. Most testosterone-based research uses around 250 to 600 mg of fenugreek extract, while research on breast milk production uses around 1 to 6 grams. So, research on other areas has been used much high doses. In fact, studies on cholesterol and blood sugar lowering effects of fenugreek suggest that doses between 5 to 25 grams may be most effective. Supplements should generally be taken before or with a meal. Since this herb aids blood sugar control, it may be best to take it with your highest carb meal of the day. Always follow the dosage instructions on the label. If you are unsure, consult a healthcare professional before you can consume it. Your dosage of fenugreek depends on the type of supplement as well as your health goal. Now let's see the safety and side effects of fenugreek. Fenugreek appears relatively safe for most people. However, as most with supplements, less serious side effects like diarrhea and indigestion have been reported anecdotally. People may also experience reduced appetite, which could be harmful if you have been eating disorder or are trying to gain weight. Moreover, some people report a strange and slightly sweet body odor when supplementing, but this is unconfirmed. Given its effect on blood sugar, fenugreek should be used with caution if you are taking diabetes medication or other supplements that lower blood sugar levels. So, although most of these side effects haven't been confirmed in humans and the dosages used are unusually high, some scientists are concerned about the uses of fenugreek supplements. It's always good to check with a medical professional before starting a new supplement. Most importantly, ensure that you are taking a safe dose. In humans, fenugreek may cause mild side effects, although it appears relatively safe at the correct dosage. So the bottom line is, fenugreek is a unique herb that has long been used as an alternative medicine. Based on available evidence, fenugreek has benefits for lowering blood sugar levels, boosting testosterone, and increased milk production in people who are breastfeeding. Fenugreek may also reduce cholesterol levels, lower inflammation, and help with appetite control, but more research is needed in these areas. So, fenugreek is a native to the Mediterranean, Europe, and Asia. Fenugreek seems to sugar absorption in the stomach and stimulate insulin. Both of these effects lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of protein, that is 46% DB, dietary fiber, B vitamins and dietary minerals, particularly manganese 59% of DB and iron 262% of DB. DB means daily value. Fenugreek is an annual plant in the family Fabaceae with leaves consisting of 3 small obtuse to oblong leaflets. It is cultivated worldwide as a semi-arid crop. Its dishes have the Indian subcontinent and have been used as a culinary ingredient since ancient times. Its used as food ingredient in small quantities is safe. Fenugreek is believed to have been brought into cultivation in the Near East. It is uncertain which wild strains of the genus Trignola gave rise to domesticated fenugreek. In 1st century AD recipe, the Romans flavored wine with fenugreek. Okay friends, bye.